So, hello everyone. This is Suman from Digital Tricksters. So this time we are introducing Moodle Analytics Dashboard Plugin. Uh, Turn your Moodle data into pure actionable insights. Even modern analytics dashboard built for administrators, teachers, and learning teams. The Analytical Dashboard Plugin gives you a complete view of student engagement, course performance, completion trends, at-risk learners, and activity patterns all inside Moodle. You say there is a local plugin. So you can see we have a dark mode toggle. I will come to that later. So you have these three filters. One is category drop down. Second one is courses drop down. The third one is time range. So if you select a category, the category is selected. Then you can select the courses. Right now I'm selecting all categories. So then we have three tabs here, interswitchable. You can check the overview, then go to students, then go to courses. Let's start one by one. The first one is we have these cards. For a quick look, there's one active student, four average weekly logins, 76% activity completion, 0.2 hour average time spent. Then we have login trends. So daily logins by date. And then engagement distribution, we have high engagement, medium engagement, low engagement at risk. We have two student at risk. So activity completion rates, you see, time spent by activity type. So we don't have much data in here. So when you have data, it will populate. Then you can click and check those results. So then we have these cards. One is for the course track, course enrollments. These are 22 is the visible courses. 31 is the total enrollments across current scope. And 12% is average course completion, course average. And then at-risk learners, high engagement is one. Top course completion by courses. So these students by course is one. Enrollment consideration, completion versus grade, since no one has completed any course and not graded. So this data is not available. So then we have another card which gives you complete overview of the courses. So we see all the courses here, and then we can see the completion rate and at-risk learners for each one of them. Then we have at-risk learners. You can click on just view to go directly there. You see, and get more detailed insight about that student, what he's doing and why he's lagging behind. Let's get back to that. Then we have most important course performance summary. We see all these courses, enrollment and risk students. We see one student is at risk, one is enrolled and he is at risk because he is not logging, he is not pursuing regularly and doing steps. I can see when I click on this appears, and I can just click on that user to go to a more detailed view of the user. Then, if we go to students, these are number of students, average engagement, low engagement, never active, top engagement, these ones, the datas, then the table, and also again, I can go to a more detailed view from here too. Then if I go to courses, then there is a course overview 22, courses enrollment 31, activities 307, total digital models, log best estimate, then courses by category, test category, there is one largest courses by model activity reach courses. You can see all those things from here. Again, no data available, that's why it is not populated. All courses summary. Again, if you go, if you on this, it will take you directly to this detailed view of that course. You can get much more insights. And these filters are always available. We click on dark mode. You can see the dark mode. It, it is turned in dark mode. Every page is rendered in dark mode. So as per your choice, you can switch. So, so obviously, you know why this matters. Most model sites already contain valuable learning data, but it is often buried across reports, logs, gradebook pages, and course activity screens. These plugins brings that data together into one clean visual dashboard, so your team can understand what is happening faster and act with confidence. Right. So again, most importantly, most Moodle sites contain valuable learning data, obviously. But I have told you, but this dashboard uses live Moodle data from courses, enrollments, activity completion, grades, and logs. That means your reports reflect what is happening inside your learning platform without needing external spreadsheet or manual exports. We don't need them. This helps administrators and educators quickly answer questions like which courses are performing well, which learners may need attention, where is the engagement dropping, which courses have low completion, which active students are across the, how active are students across the platform, all those things. Yeah, please go get the plugin. Thanks.